Welcome, today I'm showing you how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your T-MOBILE Revvl 6. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find this button in this block, then, for example like this, press and hold and drag to top to add. And for saving, click back. Now you add the screen record button, so tap it. And before starting, we got show touches on screen. This position of switcher is turn off this option, and this is activate this option. And press start to start recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.